Guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you sign up on Remitly. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to sign up on Remitly, you just simply have to open your Remitly application, and after selecting the Remitly application, you will get to see this create a new profile option. Tap into that option, and after tapping there, you just simply have to select from which country to which country you would like to select or send the money. You just simply have to choose your country, and after selecting the country, tap to next button. Then after that, you will get to enter your email address into this page. Just simply enter your email address and create a password for your account. Let me do this real quick. And after creating the password, tap to sign up button. Now after doing this much, your account will be created into Remitly, and this way you can also create your account into Remitly too. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.